शेक्सपियर ने एक बार कहा था, अज्ञानता ईश्वर का अभिशाप है। ज्ञान वे पंख हैं जो हमें स्वर्ग तक ले जाते हैं।
Let me introduce myself to begin with. I am Professor Sunaina Singh, Vice Chancellor, Nalanda University in the state of Bihar in India, an international university of national importance in India. Uh, to tell you a little bit about Nalanda University, this is a university that has been supported by 17 countries of the East Asia who have agreed on re-establishment and revival of Nalanda
हैं।
University. अगर हम देखें और तय करें कि हमने क्या किया है इतने साल, तो देखेंगे कि हम 3 या 2 स्कूल से आज 6 हैं। सेंटर्स 0 से 3 नए रिसर्च सेंटर्स खुले हैं। हमारा एजुकेशन सिस्टम इज़ ऑन कैफेटेरिया मॉडल. It's a global PhD program that we run. We have short courses, we have integrative studies, all the courses are integrative. जो student आता है अगर ecology and environment करने, he can opt for a course from Buddhist studies or religion or from history or from languages. He can offer management studies. So cafeteria model है, collaborative research projects हैं, हमारे कोर्स क्रेडिट्स जो हैं completely international. Our global PhD program again is very unique. Our MBA program is unique because it has an exit system after 1 year with a diploma or 2 years with an MBA degree. PhD program is both for professionals or working people as well as regular students. If we look at our laboratories, we had 1 when I came. Today we have 4. If we look at the growth of construction, हमने मात्र 0.28% से आज है about 74% हमने रीच किया है और क्लासेस भी शुरू हुए हैं. वी हैव बिम्स्टेक फेलोशिप्स जो ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर हैज़ अनाउंस्ड इन Bay of Bengal Studies program. 30 BIMSTEC fellowships for our masters and PhD scholars. We have ASEAN universities in India. We are trying to establish linkages, and Nalanda will be the nodal university for that. So these are just to name a few achievements of Nalanda so far. We have to travel a far distance, and university, I generally say, is an expansive institution. It needs to keep growing and expanding in different directions of research, policies, to cohabit with the world.